I've discovered 11 remote job companies that offer a free work-from-home job setup, covering expenses like technical equipment such as computers, phones, headsets, and in some cases, even internet costs. Despite claims that companies are resistant to remote work, these offerings suggest otherwise, as businesses save substantially on overhead expenses like building rentals. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here we will show you the most up-to-date making money, online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Starting with number 1 on the list, we have a clinical customer service representative position with American Specialty Health Incorporated. This role involves assisting patients with healthcare-related inquiries. ACE-CHI has garnered recognition for the quality and safety of its programs and services from national organizations like the NCQA and URAC. As an employer, they offer various perks and benefits, which I'll display on the screen for your reference. While the starting pay for this position is $15 per hour, it doesn't require a college degree or prior experience, making it relatively easy to secure. Overall, I'd rate this opportunity a 7 out of 10 opportunity score. Moving on to another role with American Specialty Health Incorporated, we have the front-end examiner position, responsible for accurately reviewing and inputting patient data. Similar to the previous role, ASHI provides a work-from-home setup, covering expenses like internet connectivity. While the job listing mentions a requirement of 2 years of data entry experience, it's often not strictly enforced, so I encourage applicants to apply regardless. With a starting pay of $14 per hour, this role offers another avenue into the healthcare industry, earning a 7 out of 10 opportunity score. Next up is a commercial account executive position with the company Articulate. In this role, you'll be responsible for reaching out to customers and prospects to see if the company's products or services can assist them. Articulate is a leading SaaS provider of creator platforms for online workplace training. The position is fully remote, meaning you can work from anywhere with an internet connection. They offer assistance in setting up your home office with top-notch equipment and technology. The salary for this position ranges between $1 and $150,000 per year, along with excellent benefits. Experience in sales is required for this role, making it unsuitable for entry-level candidates. However, Articulate also offers lower-level positions that may be worth exploring. The company has outstanding ratings on Glassdoor, with a 4.3 out of 5 stars rating and 78% of employees recommending it to friends. I'd rate this opportunity an 8.5 out of 10. Commercial account executives typically work in tech sales, which is known for its lucrative career paths. Entry-level roles in tech sales, such as business development representatives, are often available at Articulate. Moving on to another opportunity, we have a customer service representative role with CVS Health. As with most customer service representative positions, you'll be handling inquiries related to healthcare, given that CVS Health is one of the largest healthcare companies globally. They provide the necessary equipment and training for this role. The pay for this position typically ranges between $17 and $29 per hour, with various perks and benefits offered. While previous experience is preferred, a college degree is not required. Overall, I'd rate this opportunity a 7.5 out of 10. Next up, we have an opportunity as an insurance agent with Progressive. In this role, you'll assist individuals in determining the best insurance options for their needs. Progressive, a provider of combined personal and auto insurance, is currently expanding its workforce. Remarkably, they provide you with a computer and offer attractive benefits, which I'll detail shortly. The compensation for this position is approximately $21 per hour, making it quite enticing. I'd rate this opportunity an 8 out of 10. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you love the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now, let's get back to the video. Moving on, there's a chance to work as a Member Services Research Associate with Health Advocate. Here, you'll aid patients with website navigation, health plan inquiries, and related matters, while also maintaining departmental records. Health Advocate Incorporated, a U.S. national health advocacy and patient assistance company, offers several perks and benefits. They start you off at around $15 per hour, and no college degree or prior experience is necessary. I'd give this opportunity a 7.5 out of 10. Now, let's discuss an inside sales position with J.J. Keller & Associates Incorporated. In this role, you'll assist customers with the company's products and services, with the potential to sell to them if it's a good fit. The salary ranges between $53,000 and $62,000 annually, with the possibility of earning more through a monthly uncapped incentive program for high performers. Additionally, they provide free IT and computer equipment. While a college degree or prior experience isn't required, some background in customer service is preferred. I'd rate this opportunity an 8.5 out of 10. Next up is a travel advisor position with the AAA Club Alliance. As a travel advisor, you'll assist customers with their travel-related inquiries. The AAA Club Alliance is a long-standing company, founded in 1902, advocating for motorists, safer roads, vehicles, and educated drivers, as well as travelers' rights. They offer solid benefits, including a pay range of $17 to $22.50 per hour, and the company provides computer equipment. This role typically requires about a year and a half of experience, earning it a 7.5 out of 10 opportunity score. Moving on, there's an opportunity as a sales development representative with ShortPoint. Sales development representatives often have numerous prospects, serving as an entry-level sales role in the technology industry. Combining sales, a valuable skill, with the technology sector, one of the most promising industries, sets the stage for success. The salary for this position is approximately $76,000 per year, plus commission, with ample perks, benefits, and provided work equipment. I'd rate this opportunity a 9.5 out of 10. Next, we have a happiness engineer position with Automatic. Happiness engineers provide technical support related to WordPress. Automatic, a company offering various technology-related positions, provides attractive perks and benefits, including coverage for home office setups and co-working allowances. They even reimburse you for coffee if you're working from a coffee shop. This position earns an 8.5 out of 10 opportunity score. And lastly, let's discuss a patient coordinator role with Team Health. As a patient coordinator, you'll serve as the initial contact point for patients seeking medical support. Team Health, a physician-led, patient-focused company, values innovation, teamwork, and integrity. They offer great benefits, including a starting pay of $15 per hour, and the only requirement is ample space for provided equipment. I'd rate this opportunity a 7 out of 10. If you loved this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.